Hey everyone, welcome back to U.S. Immigration News, where we break down complex immigration topics to help you on your journey to the American dream. Today, we're tackling a frustrating scenario. What happens when your I-130 petition is approved, but your I-485 application hits a snag, whether it's delayed or even denied? If you're adjusting status through family sponsorship, this could be you or a loved one. Picture this. You've waited months for that I-130 approval notice, celebrating the green light on your relationship's validity. But then, the I-485, your actual application for a green card, stalls or gets rejected. Why does this happen? Stick around. Knowledge is power in immigration. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more helpful content. Let's dive in. 1. I-130 versus I-485 timelines. Let's clarify what these forms are and how their timelines differ. The I-130, petition for alien relative, is filed by a U.S. citizen or permanent resident to establish a qualified relationship with a family member. Once approved, it doesn't give you a green card, it just proves the relationship is legit. Processing times for I-130 vary by category. For immediate relatives like spouses of U.S. citizens, it typically takes 10 to 14 months. But for other family preferences, it could be longer due to visa availability. Now, the I-485, application to register permanent residence or adjust status, is where you apply to become a lawful permanent resident while in the U.S. You can file it concurrently with the I-130 if you're an immediate relative, which speeds things up. Timelines here? It depends on your field office, but averages 12 to 30 months overall, with some cases wrapping up in months if everything aligns. After I-130 approval, I-485 could follow quickly. Some folks see approval the same day, others wait weeks or months. Check USCIS processing times online for your specific service. Center, they're updated regularly. 2. Common reasons for I-485 delays and potential denials. Delays are super common, and sometimes they lead to denials if not addressed. Why the holdup? USCIS backlogs are a big culprit. High application volumes, staffing issues, and workload shifts can add months. Other reasons include incomplete applications, background check delays, or visa retrogression for employment-based cases. If it escalates to denial, common triggers are inadmissibility, like criminal history or public charge concerns, failure to maintain lawful status, missing documents, or inconsistencies in evidence. For example, if you left the U.S. without advance parole, it could be seen as abandonment, or if your medical exam is outdated. The key? Denials don't always end the road. You might refile the I-485 without redoing the I-130 or appeal via motion to reopen. Pro tip: track your case status on USCIS.gov to spot issues early. Why a green card can be denied even after I-130 approval. When USCIS approves Form I-130, it confirms that a valid family relationship exists, such as between a spouse, parent, or child. However, this approval alone does not guarantee that Form I-485, adjustment of status, will also be approved. The I-485 is evaluated separately and focuses on whether the applicant is legally eligible to obtain permanent residence inside the United States. Some of the most common reasons an I-485 may be denied include grounds of inadmissibility, including certain criminal offenses, past immigration violations, or medical issues, unlawful presence or unauthorized employment that violates immigration rules, incomplete, inconsistent, or weak evidence presented during the adjustment interview, misrepresentation or fraud, even if unintentional, in forms or supporting documents, failure to maintain lawful status prior to submitting the I-485 application. Although receiving an I-485 denial after an I-130 approval can be discouraging, it does not always mean the end of the process. Acting quickly and understanding your options is critical to protecting your immigration future. 3. What USCIS looks for during adjudication. During I-485 review, USCIS is all about eligibility and security. They check if you're admissible no grounds like health issues, criminal records, or security threats. They'll review your petition, biometrics, and background checks. For family-based, they verify the relationship again if needed. Evidence is king. Birth certificates, marriage docs, financial support via I-864, and proof of lawful entry. They also assess public charge. Can you support yourself without relying on certain benefits? It's a thorough process to ensure you meet all criteria. 4. When to expect interview or approval. Interviews aren't always required, but for marriage-based cases, expect 6 to 12 months after filing. Approval could come right after if all's good, or within weeks. Green cards arrive 2 to 4 weeks post-approval. Factors like your category and office backlog play, and use USCIS tools to estimate. 5. Tips to avoid RFEs and slowdowns. Requests for evidence can add 3 to 6 months, so dodge them. Submit complete packets. Double-check forms. Include all docs like photos, translations, and updated medicals. Strengthen your I-864 with solid financial proof to avoid public charge issues. Respond promptly. If you get one, you have 87 days. And consider premium processing if available. Consult an attorney early to spot gaps. 6. Your rights while waiting. While pending, you can stay in the U.S. if you file properly. No need to maintain prior status. Apply for work authorization, EAD, and travel parole, advance parole via I-765 and I-131. You can volunteer or start a business carefully, but no unauthorized work. Don't travel abroad without parole or risk abandonment. Conclusion wrapping up. An approved I-130 is a win, but I-485 hurdles like delays or denials require patience and preparation. Understand timelines. Submit strong evidence, and know your rights to stay on track. If denied, options like refiling or appeals exist. Don't give up. Remember, this isn't legal advice. Always consult a qualified immigration attorney for your situation. Drop your questions below, like if this helped, and share with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.